the H&R springs. Well, first off, I can definitely feel there's a whole lot less body roll in the chassis, a whole lot more grip, especially going through the corners. And overall, the car feels a whole lot less squirmy at higher speeds through the corners. But the things I feel like I can improve on is I felt a lot more drivetrain slop now that I have proper suspension, and my brakes, there's something to be desired in them. Unfortunately, shortly after that clip, we went around a roundabout to do another round up the mountain, and we met up with these two S2000. One looked like a fancy S2000. I think they're called Spoon S2Ks. Anyway, we were driving quite enthusiastically back up the mountain, and unfortunately this happened.
Let's call it quits.
Y'all need somebody to go up and call 911?
Ask them.
Please be careful out there, everyone. This car ride could have easily been his last. Now let me show you some things too. So here are the first things I want to tackle. I got some polyurethane engine mounts and some polyurethane transmission mounts. We're going to be swapping those out. Hopefully stop the engine and tranny from hopping around inside the chassis. Next, I picked up some polyurethane sway bar bushings, both front and back. Try and get the car more planted. And we have some polyurethane control arm bushings. I'll put in a clip in just a second on how bad my bushings are. I could definitely feel it up on the mountains when I was turning into some hard corners. I could feel the wheel like just going a little crazy, just flexing a little bit. If you go up to your car and you kick it, freak, I can't see because of the glare. You kick it, you see all that movement? I can't see. The glare is too much on the screen. Hopefully you guys can see that, but you shouldn't be able to do this. You see how that wheel just jerks? Yeah, shouldn't do that. Next, I've had these for a while, and I highly recommend picking a set of these up if you do the Bilstiens with the H&R lowering springs. These are adjustable sway arms. And if your car has more than I'd say 80,000 miles, these are probably on the way out. My car just ticked a little bit over 100,000 miles, and all of this is just maintenance, pretty much. Performance maintenance. Now that leads us to the big thing. Here are some BMW 335 brake calipers. And I am going to try and graft these gigantic things on my Z4. They are quite a bit bigger, and I'm hoping I can fit them. And here are some stainless steel brake lines to go along with the calipers, and this set of OEM BMW Botch brake pads. With all these modifications and maintenance, I am well under $2,000 for all this suspension, which you're gonna have to watch one of my old videos to see that. The Bilstiens and H&R springs. Anyway, I'm well under $2,000 for all of these items, and a shop would have charged you about $2,000 for them to source some Bilstiens and installation for just the suspension. What I'm trying to say is you can get a whole lot more bang for your buck if you just do it yourself, and it's really not that hard. Cars, at least in my opinion, my BMW Z4, it's just like an adult Lego. It's really simple to work on, loads of room in the engine bay, and yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.